Hey guys, this is a little trick I heard about on the internet. We'll see if it works. When you're doing a clutch cable, it's not that hard to do. One of the trickiest parts is routing the cable through your motor and up through the frame, up through your handlebars. So they say take some duct tape, get your new cable, and duct tape it to the old cable, which I'm doing right here. Hopefully I can get this to stick real good. Get it taped in there, and let me switch the camera around here. Now, I've got that duct taped, so to figure this routing out, it goes around here and back across my header over there to the other side of the casing. This guy's got to go from here on up. So supposedly you tape it. Here's my garage dog. What's up, Norman? Say hi to everybody. Yeah, he's out here helping me. We're all still working on waking up around here. Okay, this guy should route right through. There's my new clutch cable. So this one comes undone, just untape it, and this guy will plug right back in like I had it, and it worked. That was pretty cool, so hopefully that'll help some of you out in the future.